All right, so today we're gonna remove this AC, the small one, right there. Charles is helping me out. The reason why I'm removing it is because I'm gonna put a mini split on top, and those mini split EG4, they're hybrid, so we can use like a solar panel, and it's way more efficient. So at that time when I purchased this, I did not know that these existed 3 years back. So I'm just removing it, and I'm gonna have to weld like a piece of metal and block this.
This one's stuck in there.
Yeah, it's stuck. That's fine. I'll leave it like that. Extension, it's right there. Just give it the film.
Ah, I got it. I got the film noir, guys.
So I have an old piece of metal here, corrugated steel, that I have to cut. So I don't like doing that, but I have no choice. It's been filmé depuis loin.
And what are you gonna do with the piece of metal?
I'm gonna put it on top of the hole.
It's like
Weld it.
there you go. For me to film, you have to go like this. The hell? Okay.
Be better if I plug it. Yeah. All right. Welding time. Oh, that's good. That's good. Perfect. Now it's welding time. So I tried to do the welding. It didn't work. I don't know why. Maybe you guys can tell me, but the connection, I wasn't able to do the connection between the metals. So what I decided to do instead is I have a piece of wood outside, so I'll just screw this piece of metal, and then that should be fine. Anyway, I'm gonna have insulation. I'm gonna have insulation from the outside, and I'm gonna have insulation inside. I'll make sure everything is caulking properly, and I have caulk everywhere, and then that would be good. All right. So I fixed this one. I put caulking, and then I'm gonna do more caulking from the outside, and then what I'll do here, I'm gonna put insulation spray foam on top. So that should be fine. And now I moved here. I'm going to move this one here. So I cut the square for the AC. I just need to put it back. So I'm going to put it there because this will be the main entrance. Eventually I'm going to put a door there. So this way it is just temporary until I get the mini split. So let's go. Charles is coming with it, and then hopefully it fits. Avance. Est-ce qu'elle cote? C'est trop bas, c'est trop. Non, il faut baisser la planche. We have to put it down.
We have to put it down?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Remove it. So at least the good thing is the hole is too big, but we'll bring it down a little bit. So we're taking a break. I'm going to get some pizza with everyone in Christiansted. All right, boardwalk. So they have very nice bathing suits here and stuff. Gels.
Nice right here.
Yes. Continue avec mamie Nicole, maman Nicole. Donc on s'en va voir si on peut manger les pizzas. So we're checking to see if we can get pizza. I know we can, but I want to make sure that we have a place that is in the shades and stuff. But yeah, I think we're good. We're good. Well, you see, yeah, there's a spot. There's 2 spots. So yeah, so we're gonna come here. Safe. Yeah. So is it good?
Super
Charles?
good. This is the filling pizza I needed for the day right here. This
Yes.
is super good pizza.
Let's try to. Here we go. Pizza. And what about you, Kiki? It's good?
Very good.
Eh, puis toi, mamie? C'est bon?
Oui, oui, oui.
Okay, okay. Ah, it's very good. We got the pizza, all meat. Meat freak, they call it, and we have the Greek one. So, it's very good. That's it. All right, so we had a good lunch. Now I'm back to work, and I'm doing this window here because my wife told me that she wanted a little bit more light. It makes sense. At first, I didn't want to plan to have one because I have the door there, but realized that the door is not closing anyway, so we can have a window there. So in the corner, you're gonna have like more view, and obviously, you want to see this view, right? So that's what we're gonna have. All right, so I'm done with the window. It took me about 2 hours. It's 8 p.m. So that's the last window on this side here. So we can start the spray foam tomorrow. So that's nice.